Get ready for an in-depth tech showdown where we dissect pixels, lenses, and software in a head-to-head battle for perfect snapshots. Brace yourself for the ultimate Android camera versus iPhone review that's set to transform how you view your smartphone. Let's uncover the real photography champion. In this comparison, we pit the Xiaomi 13 Ultra against the iPhone to determine which smartphone reigns supreme. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra boasts a stellar camera setup and an immersive unboxing experience, while the iPhone's hallmark is its sleek and sophisticated design. We delve into various aspects of both phones, covering design, screen quality, battery performance, charging speed, audio quality, software, and overall performance. Notably, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra's screen shines with a peak brightness of 2600 nits and a curved design, offering smoother gestures. Its energy-efficient panel adapts refresh rates faster than the iPhone. Ultimately, both phones have their strengths and weaknesses. Leaving the choice to users, our comprehensive comparison empowers readers to make an informed decision. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra triumphs in the unboxing department, providing an all-inclusive package with essentials like a 90-watt charger, a hard case, and a USB-C cable. Meanwhile, the iPhone's packaging is elegant but lacks a charger or case. In terms of design, the iPhone embodies simplicity and elegance, while the Xiaomi 13 Ultra exudes uniqueness and edginess. Despite slight irregularities in screen borders, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra's unibody design ensures durability, and it features a specially treated silicone surface that enhances grip, resists smudges and fingerprints, and inhibits bacterial growth. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra screen dazzles with its 2600 nit peak brightness, ensuring visibility from all angles. Its slightly curved edges provide a smoother user experience compared to the iPhone's sharp edges. Plus, its advanced refresh rate technology enhances efficiency and battery life. While the Xiaomi 13 Ultra houses a larger 5000 mAh battery compared to iPhone's 4300 mAh, both phones exhibit similar battery endurance. Notably, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra introduces a hibernation mode that extends reachability by an extra hour. Charging speed favors the Xiaomi 13 Ultra with its impressive 90-watt charger, fully juicing up the phone in just 45 minutes while the iPhone lags at 66. In summary, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra appeals to pro users with its unique design, stellar camera system, and brilliant screen, while the iPhone's simplicity and elegance cater to a broader audience.